I bought and tested these PA systems so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, an acoustic guitarist and vocalist, you know how tricky it can be to find the right sound gear. I've sifted through countless options, and today I'm breaking down the top 5 PA systems to elevate your performances.
Product number 1, 100-watt powerful voice amplifier. When I first unboxed the 100-watt powerful voice amplifier, I was immediately impressed by its robust design. Setting it up was a breeze. I plugged in the 2 wireless microphones and immediately felt the power of the sound. For backyard gigs and small venues, this PA system proved to be a lifesaver. I remember one evening when I was scheduled to perform at a local cafe. The place was packed, and I was worried about my voice being drowned out by the chatter. But with this system cranked to around 70%, my acoustic guitar and vocals resonated perfectly, filling the entire space without distortion. The built-in Bluetooth feature was also convenient for playing backing tracks for my phone. Pros: the sound quality was surprisingly rich for its size, and the dual microphones allowed me to have a guest singer join in without much hassle. It's versatile, supporting USB, TF cards, and aux connections, which meant I could easily play my pre-recorded tracks or plug in my guitar directly. Cons: the only downside I found was that the battery life could be better. After about 4 hours of continuous use, it started to fade. Also, while the wireless microphones were functional, they occasionally experienced interference, which could be an issue in crowded environments. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful PA system that's easy to transport and set up, this amplifier is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for musicians who want to bring their sound to small gigs without breaking the bank.
Product number 2, professional portable all-in-one PA system. The first time I laid eyes on the professional portable all-in-one PA system, I knew I was dealing with something special. The suitcase design is not only sleek, but also incredibly practical for transport. With an 8-channel mixer built right into the setup, I felt like a professional sound engineer. I took this system to a community event where I was not only performing, but also hosting. The ability to connect multiple microphones and instruments was a game changer. I had my guitar plugged in, a mic for myself, and another for a guest speaker, all while controlling the sound level seamlessly. Pros: the sound was crystal clear, even at high volumes, and the Bluetooth mixer made it easy to play background music from my phone. The speaker stands provided excellent sound elevation, ensuring everyone in the audience could hear clearly. However, all this convenience comes at a price. It's heavier than some other portable systems, which can be a hassle if you're moving around a lot. Also, the setup can be a bit more complex if you're not familiar with sound equipment. Why buy it? If you need a reliable, high-quality PA system for professional performances or events, this all-in-one unit is worth the investment. It offers flexibility and sound quality that can elevate any gathering.
Product number 3, Fender Acoustasonic Guitar Amp. As an acoustic guitarist, I've always admired Fender for their craftsmanship, and the Acoustasonic was no exception. When I first plugged in my guitar, the 15 watts produced a warm, rich sound that really highlighted the nuances of my playing. Its compact size made it easy to carry around, and I loved how simple the controls were. On a lazy Sunday afternoon, I took it to the park, set it on a picnic table, and started strumming. The sound projection was impressive for such a small amp, and I found myself lost in the music while passers-by stopped to listen. Pros: the dual front panel inputs are perfect for connecting a microphone and guitar simultaneously, making it a great choice for solo acts. The built-in effects are another bonus, adding a touch of reverb that really enhanced my vocals. Cons: however, it's worth noting that the power might not be sufficient for larger outdoor settings. If you're planning to play in a bigger venue, you might need to consider a more powerful option. Why buy it? If you're a solo performer who values sound quality and portability, the Fender Acoustasonic is an excellent investment. It's reliable, easy to use, and produces a beautiful sound that will make your performances stand out. Pros: excellent video quality, substantial storage capacity, and customizable recording modes are standout features. The cons include a slight dip in performance during adverse weather, which might not be suitable for all environments. Why should you consider this system? The Hi-CU Pro offers a premium experience for those serious about home security. It's perfect for anyone who wants a high-quality system without the hassle of additional fees. Product number 4. WinBridge S97 Bluetooth Speaker Mic. I stumbled upon the WinBridge S97 while searching for a portable PA system that wouldn't break the bank. This little powerhouse boasts 60 watts of power and comes with dual microphones, which immediately caught my attention. I decided to test it out during a small gathering with friends. The ease of setup was a relief. I simply plugged it in, connected my guitar, and within minutes we were jamming. The sound quality was impressively robust, and I loved the bass response, which is often lacking in smaller systems. Pros? The portability is a major win. It's lightweight and easy to carry around. The built-in karaoke function and sound effects added a fun twist to our music session. Plus, the Bluetooth feature allowed me to play tracks directly from my phone, which was a great touch. Cons? That said, the build quality felt a bit flimsy compared to other options. I was also concerned about durability for long-term use. Why buy it? If you're on a budget and need a reliable, portable PA system for small events or gatherings, the WinBridge S97 is an excellent choice. It delivers solid performance without emptying your wallet.
Product number 5. Positive Grid Spark Edge. When I first heard about the Positive Grid Spark Edge, I was intrigued. A smart guitar amp that doubles as a PA system? Count me in. From the moment I plugged in, I was blown away by the 65 watts of power and the clarity of sound. I took it to a jam session with friends, and we couldn't stop playing. The built-in looper feature was a game changer, allowing me to layer tracks effortlessly. I remember how impressed everyone was when I used the smart app to adjust tones and effects on the fly. Pros: the versatility is unmatched. It accommodates electric, acoustic, and even bass guitars, plus vocals. The AI features help to create a more customized sound, and the app makes it easy to integrate with other devices. Cons: however, it's not the most lightweight option out there, and the price point is higher than some competitors. If you're looking for something simple, this might not be your best choice. Why buy it? If you're serious about your music and want a powerful, feature-rich amp that can also serve as a PA system, the Positive Grid Spark Edge is a worthy investment. It's perfect for creative musicians looking to push the boundaries of their sound.